seconds. So we can already close everything, and or we can just simply go back to the home screen and let's check our account on Simpsons. And remember, we selected 500 for both currencies. So there we are. Perfect. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get free donuts and cash for Simpsons Tapped Out. For any fans of The Simpsons, this is a great game that's been already around for a while, but today I'm gonna show you a working hack so you can improve your city much faster. So for that, we're gonna go to a site called TSTO.mobilecheaters.com. Here you can see it, TSTO.mobilecheaters.com. And once you are there, the first thing you have to do is connect your account. We are gonna enter our username, that in my case it is Pachuok. We're gonna leave the platform as it is by default in Android because I'm using an Android device. Make sure to enable encryption and connect. So now we are connecting our account, and the next step is selecting how many. Okay, we have a success message, everything went right. The next step is selecting how many donuts and cash we want to add. So I don't know why this is here. Okay, so now let's select, let's say 500,000, it's a lot. So with that we will have more than enough, and the same with cash. And then press on generate. It is simple as that. Now we just have to wait until the process finishes. This takes a bit, not too much. I think that less than a minute last time I used it, but just be patient because it's totally worth it. We save a lot of money. And if this pop-up appears, it means that you have to complete a little human verification step. It is really quick. So let's press on verify, and I will tell you now what we have to do. So as it says here, you just have to download 2 games and then run it for at least 30 seconds. So we are gonna start with this app over here because it is the first one. And here we are on the App Store. Let's install the app, and I will be back once it's been downloaded. Alright, now let's open the app, and remember that we have to keep it open for at least 30 seconds. It doesn't matter what you do inside, you can just step around, but make sure that you interact with the screen for at least that amount of time. So I will be back in a couple seconds when the time has passed. Alright, so I've had the app open for almost a minute. Always make sure to keep it open for some extra seconds to make sure that you did the action right. And now we can close this up, and we can go back to the page where we have to choose an app. And let's say this can be the second app to install and run for 30 seconds. So again, the App Store opens, and I will be back once the app has been installed. Alright, so the app is already there. Now let's open it, and same as before, just let's keep it open for more than 20 seconds. Okay, so it is done. Now we have completed the 3 actions. We have downloaded and run 2 apps for more than 30 seconds. So we can already close everything, and or we can just simply go back to the home screen and let's check our account on Simpsons. And remember, we selected 500 for both currencies. So there we are. Perfect.